religion are really the evils of medieval Christianity, not the evils of Islam. And that's something that most people of this heritage don't know and understand. The final question, without I conclude, after we have talked about proving there's a God, proving this God cares about us, proving that He is an entity or a being that sends prophets and messengers and reveals books, the final question is, okay, well then, why the religion of Islam and why not any other organized religion? If it does make sense that God would send a prophet and have a message and have a book, then there are at least 15 different religions out there, from Sikhism to Buddhism to Confucianism to Hinduism to Christianity to Judaism. Why then Islam? And to answer that question, alhamdulillah, we have why Islam, exactly, over here, to tell us that. But on a more serious note, this also, and of course, by the way, obviously, each one of these questions is a very long topic, and I have spoken hours, and others have spoken much more about each of these. I'm just trying to summarize in a logical manner. The final question, why Islam? Out of all religions, how do we prove the veracity or the truth of Islam? Once again, there are many mechanisms at our disposal. I'll just list some of them. Number one is that Islam appeals to every single aspect of a man or a woman. The religious aspect, the psychological aspect, the spiritual aspect, and so it is logical. The theology of Islam is the only rational theology. No other theology, we believe, is a rational or fully rational theology. Number two, we say the proof of the Quran. The proof of the Quran, and that I've given many talks about. You can just Google my name with the miracle of the Quran. The miracle of the Quran. We use the miracle of the Quran to prove the truth of Islam. And then number three, the miracle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By that I mean his life, his teachings, his characteristics, his sifat, his seerah, all of the life and times of the Prophet ﷺ, his message, where he came from, being an uneducated or illiterate person, coming forth with such a unique teaching and theology and eloquence. So this is also a unique way to prove the